He said mindfulness involves intentionally doing only one thing at a time and making sure I'm here for it. Do you get that? This captures it as nicely as any other definition I've seen. Doing one thing at a time, so multitaskers. What do we know about multitasking as far as its usefulness and effectiveness when we are trying to get things done? Is it useful or is it not as useful? Multitasking. In other words, trying to do 4 or 5 things at the same time or bouncing from one thing to the next. It's far, far less productive. The idea of doing several things at once dissipates your focus. If you can just focus on one thing, you're able to accomplish far more. And you'll be peaceful doing it. People say, man, it's so hard. It's so hard to just, just do this for a second. Let's try this. We could spend 6 weeks on this. There's so much that we could do with this. But for just a second, I want you to put your pens down. This is a risk. I want you to close your eyes. So everyone close your eyes. Close your eyes. And I want you to pull up a chair in your mind and watch your thoughts. I want you to go in there and watch as your thoughts come and go in your mind. And just stay focused on, and you're not your thoughts, you're having thoughts. So just watch your thoughts happen. Just see them come and go. Notice the variety. Stay tuned. Watch your thoughts. Notice the thoughts in your head that are making judgments. What do we do this for? Stop. Got to do something else. Got to do something useful. Okay, stop. So take your awareness away from the watching of your thoughts and bring them back to here. So what did you notice? What became really apparent as you were, here's your thoughts, coming and going, lots and lots of different thoughts. And you're watching it, you're observing it. What became apparent to you as you were doing that? You selected them. So you kind of said, so like anything in particular? If it's too private, then.
Just a couple moments of the past weekend.
So you chose what you wanted on the screen.
And then I also, in the background, was a song that I heard on the way to school today.
Okay. Good. Who else?
I noticed my thoughts went from past to present. Like I was thinking about like, oh, what am I going to say when, I talk with you about what I was thinking, and then I was thinking.
You were planning ahead.
Yes.
And remembering.
And then I was like, I meditated in my car before I came here, and I was like, okay, what were those thoughts that I was thinking then, which I shouldn't have been thinking any, and so.
Remembering.
They were going back and forth.
Okay.
Mine were fun.
Just freely fun or intentionally fun?
I didn't like intentionally bring in thoughts, I guess I must have, but I was just thinking about how we were sitting at the doctor's office, my kids and I, for flipping ever, and we had so much fun. My kids.
So you went to a memory?
Yeah.
And it happened to be a nice, peaceful, joyful one?
Yeah.
Okay.